Hi friends, welcome back. For those of you who are new, my name is Alyssa, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make my favorite easy carrot cake. To begin, you will need a medium bowl. Combine your flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt, as well as cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, and allspice. Give this a quick whisk and set aside. In the bowl of a stand mixer or using a hand mixer, combine your oil, your eggs, white sugar, and brown sugar. You will want to mix this for about 2 minutes on low or until the sugar is well incorporated into the mixture. Now we'll add in half of our dry ingredients and mix on low for about 20 seconds or until the flour is just incorporated. So now we'll add the second half of our dry ingredients and mix it for another 20 seconds. Once your batter has come together, add your carrots. Gently fold your carrots in using a spatula. I prefer not to use my mixer because I don't want my batter to end up overmixed. I want a nice fluffy cake. So now I have a prepared bundt pan that I have lightly greased with butter and floured. You're going to want to pour your mixture in. Try not to drop it down the center like I did there. And just make sure that if you do that, that you wipe it off before baking. So I have my oven preheated to 350 Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius, and this cake is going to take about 30 to 38 minutes. Once your cake is finished baking, you will want to allow it to cool for about 5 minutes before you turn it out. So place a cooling rack on top and flip your cake over. Make sure that you give it a minute for it to release from the pan. Once it's released, lift up your pan, and perfect, none of it stuck. So now I'm going to show you how to make an easy glaze. So this is just powdered sugar and a couple of teaspoons of milk. Whisk it up until it's your desired consistency. I like a thinner glaze, so I'm just going to add a little bit more milk to mine. So now that my cake has cooled for about an hour, I'm going to glaze it. It's okay if your cake is still warm, but you want to make sure that it's not hot, otherwise your glaze will just melt off. I let my cake set for 2 hours before slicing. That's how you make my easy carrot cake. If you'd like the full recipe and directions, just check the description box below. And as always, I would appreciate so much if you would like or subscribe, and I hope to see you next week for a new recipe video. Thanks so much for watching.